Hello there, English learners. Are you ready to learn English in a magically fun way? Well, hold on to your wizard hats because we have just the thing for you. Harry Potter, the Chamber of Secrets movie. Not only it's a thrilling adventure, but it's also an awesome tool to improve your English. And let's face it, sometimes it feels like we need a bit of magic to master this language. But fear not. We are here to help you out. We will guide you through the movie with simple explanations and fun examples that will make learning really funny. So come along and explore the wizarding world of Harry Potter with us, while also improving your English skills. You won't even notice you're learning. It will be that much fun. Let's start this magical journey together, shall we? Harry Potter, the Chamber of Secrets, takes place in Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, where Harry Potter and his friends Ron and Hermione attend. As you watch the movie, you'll be immersed in a world of magic and wonder, and you'll encounter so many new words. For example, Harry Potter can be defined as a wizard, while his friend Hermione as a witch. It's because the wizard is the male practitioner of magic, while the female practitioner of magic is called a witch. A wand is a thin, pointed rod that is used to channel magical energy to cast spells.
It won't come until it's called.
Give me my wand, Tom.
A spell is a series of magical words or incantations used to produce a desired effect.
1, 2, 3. Ferraverto.
A broomstick is a long stick with bristles on one end, used for sweeping the floor usually, but in the wizarding world, it's used for flying. Potions are magical mixtures of ingredients used to achieve various effects. As we move forward into the next scenes, we will analyze more vocabulary and grammar and witness the magic unfold before our eyes.
Fame is a fickle friend, Harry. Celebrity is as celebrity does. Remember that.
Let's start with the English proverbs fame is a fickle friend. This proverb features the idiom fickle friend, which means that something or someone that seems helpful or supportive can suddenly turn against you. Professor Lockhart is warning Harry that fame can be fleeting and that he should not rely too much on his celebrity status. Before we move on to the next scene, I'd like to take just a moment of your time. As you know, I Learn English is dedicated to providing high-quality English learning resources to our viewers. But we can't do it alone. We rely on the support of our amazing community to keep us going. By subscribing to our channel, you will not only gain access to our content, but you will also be supporting our mission to help learners like you improve their English skills. Every single subscriber makes a difference. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to I Learn English today. We promise to keep creating the best possible content for you, and we can't do it without your help. Thank you for your support.
You see? It's quite easy, dear. Don't be afraid. Come on. Come on. In you go. That's it. Mind your head. That's right. Now take your flu powder. That's it. Very good. Now don't forget to speak very, very clearly.
In you go is a colloquial way of saying get inside or enter. Mrs. Weasley is encouraging Harry to enter the fireplace and use flu powder to travel to another location. Mind your head is a warning to be careful and watch out for one's head. In this case, Mrs. Weasley is warning Harry not to hit his head on the top of the fireplace as he enters it. Both of these phrases are common in informal English and are used in everyday speech to give directions or warnings in a friendly and casual way. In the context of this paragraph, they help to create a sense of familiarity and comfort, as Mrs. Weasley is using informal language to put Harry at ease and make him feel more relaxed.
I'm afraid I can't do that, Harry. You see, as poor Ginny grows weaker, I grow stronger. Yes, Harry. It was Ginny Weasley who opened the Chamber of Secrets.
Here is another example of vocabulary that can mark the difference between native and non-native speakers, the verb grow. While many non-native speakers might use the verb become to describe a change in power dynamic, native speakers often use grow instead. In this scene, grow is used figuratively to describe how Tom Riddle's power is increasing as Ginny becomes weaker.
Everything's set. We just need a bit of who you're changing into.
Crab and Goyle.
In this scene, Hermione says everything is set to indicate that everything is ready for their plan to work. Set is a versatile verb with multiple meanings in English. It can mean to put something in a particular position or adjust something to a particular setting. For example, you might set the table before a meal or set the temperature on your air conditioner. Set can also mean to make arrangements or preparations for something, such as setting up a party or setting aside time for a particular task. Learning different meanings of the verb set can help you use the word more effectively in your everyday life. That's all for today's video on learning English from the movie Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. We hope you enjoyed exploring the world of Hogwarts and improving your language skills at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. And remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing your English skills, and before you know it, you will be casting spells like a pro.